Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavade from Gossipfunda. Today I am going to walk you through some simple troubleshooting steps to fix the issue of Instagram voice messages not working. If you have been having trouble sending or receiving voice messages on Instagram, do not worry. I'll show you 5 quick fixes to get it working again. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Try sending a voice message. First, open the Instagram app. Head over to your message section and select the conversation where you want to send a voice message. Tap the microphone icon to try sending a voice message. If the microphone does not work, then follow the next troubleshooting steps. Step 2. Check microphone permissions. Next, we'll check the microphone settings. Go to your phone setting, scroll down to Instagram, and check the microphone permission. If it is disabled, simply toggle it on. On iPhone, you can go to the settings, then click on privacy and then microphone to allow access. Force restart Instagram. If this didn't help, the next step is to force close the Instagram app. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and close the application. Once done, open the app again and try sending the voice message. Update Instagram. Sometimes bugs are fixed with app updates. Go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. If any update is available, install the latest version and then check if voice messages are working. Check your internet connection. A weak internet connection can also cause issues while sending voice messages. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connections and make sure they are stable. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and data to see if the issue persists. Step 6 is to clear the cache. If you are using Instagram with having cache, you need to offload the app. So go to the settings of the iPhone and then scroll down to the Instagram application. Then offload the app space without deleting your data and reinstall the application. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Fund.